Algebra simplification. The expression like x plus y divided x minus y, divide x plus y whole square, divide x square minus y square. So we have to simplify and find out the equivalent value of a to d. Before simplify, we have to know some law, like here is x square minus y square. We can write this one x square minus y square. It means x plus y and x minus y as per a square minus b square law. So first we can write x plus y divide x minus y, and here is divide x plus y whole square. We can write this one x plus y times x plus y. Next, x square minus y square, we can write x plus y times x minus y, right? Next, we can do one thing. First, we can divide this fraction by x plus y. Okay, then we will get x plus y divide x minus y divide x plus y divide x minus 1. So sorry, here should be y, right? Y. Now this fraction we have to divide by another fraction. In that case, first fraction, it means x plus y divide x minus y, will be unchanged, and here is a multiplication sign, and next fraction will be flipped. So here is x minus y divide x plus y. Now look, here x plus y we can divide by x plus y, so here will be 1, and similar x minus y divide x minus y, here is also 1. So finally we get our result, which is number C, 1. Very simple. I hope you clear this one. This video I am going to solve next to math, which is also very important for any kinds of competitive examination. Next question. Here is a square minus b square minus 2bc minus c square divide a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square. So we have to find out the equivalent value from these four options. First, look, here is a square, but here b square, c square and 2bc. So we can do something. A square will be unchanged and we can take common minus, so b square plus 2bc plus c square. Similar, this one we can write this one a plus b whole square, because here is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus the c square, we can write c to the power 2. Next, this a square, it will be a to the power 2 minus, and this one also similar, a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is b square plus 2bc plus c square. So in this case we can write b plus c whole square, and here is also looking a plus b. If you consider a, so it will be a square, and if c consider b, it will be b square. So we can write a plus b, it means a plus b plus b. A is a plus b and b is a c. Same thing, a plus b minus c. What about in numerator? Look, this is a square and minus b plus c, we can call this one is b. So a square minus b square. So this one we can write like a plus b plus c. same thing, a minus b, a minus b plus c, and denominator here is a plus b plus c times a plus b minus c. We can write in left side, it's a balanced part of this math. So this one, a plus b plus c, will be unchanged, a plus b plus c, and here is a minus, inside bracket every sign will be changed because we are multiplying by minus. So b minus c, and divide a plus b plus c, and here is a plus b minus c. So this a plus b plus c divide a plus b plus c. So ultimate answer is a minus b minus c divide a plus b minus c. So which one is our correct answer? A minus b minus c, not this one, a minus b minus c, and here is a plus b minus c. So number C is our correct answer. So two question answer we are trying to solve. Next question, now we will start. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, we have to find out x square plus xy plus y square equals to from this option. So these kinds of thing we can write like we have to consider something from given, it means x plus y plus z equals to 0. So this case, what can we do? Look, here answer has z, right? Z. So we have to do something like, if we consider here is a y, so we can write minus x minus z. It means we are adding minus x and minus z. So now this one we will put at these expressions. So before this one we can write like x square plus, here is x, and against this y we can write minus x minus z, right? Then plus, this is a y, so against this one we can write minus x minus z whole square. Next, x square, so x and x square, here will be minus x square minus xz plus, we can take common here minus, so it will be x plus z whole square. Now just think, this x square and minus x square will be out, so here is minus xz plus minus square, it will be plus, so here is x square plus 2xz plus z square, and finally we get what? We get, here is x square and 2xz minus xz, it will be plus xz and plus z square. So which one is correct? Number D. Here z square, zx and x square, this is our correct answer, which is number D. So no more today. This video I am trying to solve 3 math based on algebraic expression, and we are simplify this one. These types of MCQ is very important for examination, and my main focus is IGCSE math, and this math also ideal for SSC and CBSE. Around the world lots of examination, that kinds of examination also very important, these kinds of algebra. So thank you very much being with me. My channel name is MathJip. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Please subscribe my channel and share with others. Thank you.